Okay, so for this question 24. So P and Q are formed during the complete combustion of petrol. So you need to highlight important keywords here, key points. So it's the complete combustion of petrol. Now, this topic, when you see car engine and towards the end of the question of the chemistry part, so it is most likely under pollution. But in this question, it's a complete combustion. Complete combustion, if you recall, it produces carbon dioxide. And if it's incomplete, it will produce carbon monoxide. And when you see car engine, it usually refer to pollutants, which is the oxide of nitrogen. Now always remember, when it mentioned car engine, usually it refers to the oxide of nitrogen, which is under pollutants. Alright, so another hint here, it turns lime water cloudy, which is the P. So you know this is the test for carbon dioxide, and Q will be the oxide of nitrogen. So the answer is C.